Hi, to create Google account on your Redmi Note 14 5G, just open phone settings and from here scroll down to find this Google tab. Now after that you should see this option to sign in, so just tap it and then you need to verify that it's you. So if you set fingerprint unlock, then you can scan your fingerprint or you can use pattern. So after that, we'll be able to create account. Just choose corresponding option, create account, and choose for my personal use or for work or my business. Now you'll need to enter your first name and last name, but this one is optional, so you can enter just your first name. Let me come up with something because I'm gonna delete this account after this video and then tap next. Now we need to input this basic information about your date of birth and your gender. So let's just enter it and also choose gender and tap next. Now from this list we need to select create a Gmail address and tap next. And now we need to create username. So just try to enter something and tap next. So as you can see, this username is taken. You can come up with something else or you can use this available option and then tap next. After that, you need to create password. I'm gonna just enter this default one and tap next. So as you can see, we need to enter letters, numbers, and symbols. Let's try again. And now we can add phone number if needed. You can also check this information and choose either yes, I mean to add phone number, or you can skip this step. And now you need to review your account info. So I'm gonna do it with one step. For that, I'm selecting Express and tapping Next. And now we can just check this information, what data is used, how we use this data, how you can manage your data. You need to accept all. And also here you see to confirm your settings. Just tap confirm. And now agree with privacy policy by tapping I agree. And now we are just waiting. And here it is. So at this point, you can back up device data. If you don't want to lose your data in the future, I suggest you to make sure that the switcher is blue and accept it. And that's it. Now you signed in your Google account, you created your Google account, and you can see information about your account right here below. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.